Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to the last episode of this Valentine's Day Fever series. So for today's makeup look, I have decided to use the Icon eyeshadow palette from Charlotte Tilbury. It has a beautiful gold shade in it. So this one, as you can see, it's such a pretty color, very pigmented, and I was thinking to combine it with this kind of super dark green eyeshadow and maybe do like a cat eye. I don't know, so we'll just see. So firstly, I will prime my eyes, and you know by now that I will be using this eye cream from Estee Lauder. Now for eyeshadow primer, I will take the NYX Profit and apply it on both of my eyelids. And as you can see, I am applying some here on my brow bone. And now with a concealer brush like this one from Real Techniques, I'll just blend the eyeshadow primer. Now using the same concealer brush, I'll take this bronzer from Maybelline, and that I will apply it all over my eyelid and buff it up to my brow. Now I will take a fluffy brush, this one from BH Cosmetics. I will go and take this light gold shade. I will apply it into my crease and blend it towards my brow bone. And now with my finger, I will take the gold shade and apply it all over my eyelid. Now taking a flat brush like this one by Zoeva in the number 234, I will take again the gold shade and apply even more on my eyelids. Now let's move to the fun part and create the wing, and for that I will use my all-time favorite gel eyeliner by Manhattan.
You say that you need me, I run to your side, but when I arrive you can't make up your mind. I see all your hang-ups, they're not hard to find. I'm in for the long one, but you better catch up, cat and mouse. Look at what we started. All it took was one seed. Stay away wildfire grows itself like a weed. Now in your garden, you can't pull around me. Head back, open mouth, pockets full of posies.
Now what I want to do next is take a smudger brush, and I have this one by Essence, and I will take the deep green color from the Icon eyeshadow palette and apply on my black eyeliner.
She's monster under the bed.
Okay, now let's prime the face, and I will be using this primer from Estee Lauder. Now again, I will use some eye cream. And for foundation, I will take my favorite Dior Nude Air. For concealer, I will use this one by L'Oreal, the Infallible. Now I will set everything with some pressed powder like this one from Estee Lauder. And for bronzer, I'll use what I've used on my eyelids, this one by Maybelline. Now for blush, I will use this one by MAC, and it is the Desert Rose, and I will apply it with this brush from Jeffree Star in the number 2. Now using a pencil brush, and I have this one by Essence, I will take again from the Icon eyeshadow palette from Charlotte Tilbury this light shimmery shade, and I will apply it here on the inner corners. So now I'll use some lip balm, and I am using from EOS. So now let's move to the lashes, and first I will curl them. I'll just use some mascara, and I will go with the full fat lashes from Charlotte Tilbury, and I'll apply some of that on the upper and lower lashes. I see your side, your silhouette, 'cause it's all that I know. Can't see past the outlines. I'm too far gone. Okay, so now we move to the lips, and here I will be using 2 different lip products, and firstly I will line my lips using this lip liner by Mellow, and then for lipstick I will take this one by MAC Cosmetics Pink Plate, and it is a beautiful nude pink color, almost nude pink. It's not that nude, but it's not like in your face pink. It's not like this super bold pink, if that makes any sense. Now let's add some highlighter, and I am using this one by Eva, the Caramel Melange, and I will be taking the pink highlighter, and I'll apply some of that here in the highest point of my cheeks. Such a beautiful highlighter. And then here on the tip of my nose, and then some here on the Cupid's bow. And this is the final result and the last makeup for this Valentine's Day Fever series. Let me know which one of them you liked the most. There are 7 in total. So on the first day I had a eye makeup somehow with brown colors, slightly bronzy look, and it was created with a beautiful eyeshadow palette from Tarte, the Winter Wonder Glam, and a review on this palette you can find on my channel. Obviously I will be linking the link down below. On the second day I had a very romantic eye makeup look created with the eyeshadow palette from Charlotte Tilbury, the Pillow Talk, and also on the lips I had the Pillow Talk lipstick, which is beautiful. As well, other videos created with this eyeshadow palette I will be linking down below. On the third day I had some gold and red shades, and the eye makeup I've created using a beautiful eyeshadow palette from Becca, the Volcano Goddess. As well, a review on this eyeshadow palette I will be linking down below. On the fourth day I had mostly like a really bold eye makeup look. It was created with a sharp cut eye and super bold pink lips. That makeup look was created with this amazing colorful eyeshadow palette from NYX Cosmetics, the Ultimate Brides. On the fifth day I had somehow a more colorful eye makeup look, and it was created with purple and pink shades. And to create this makeup look I have used 3 different eyeshadow palettes: the Rivera from Anastasia Beverly Hills, the Chocolate Gold from Too Faced, and the Volcano Goddess eyeshadow palette from Becca. Other makeup looks, of course, with this palette I will be linking down below. On the 6th day we had a classic cat eye with super red lips. It is like a super classic and a beautiful makeup look that everyone can wear. And today we have this makeup that it was created with the Icon eyeshadow palette from Charlotte Tilbury. And if you want to see other videos on makeup looks created with this eyeshadow palette, yes, you've guessed it, I will be linking down below. So I do hope you guys enjoyed this video and all of the videos from this series. Let me know in the comments below which one you liked the most. Also feel free to leave me a comment and tell me what other series you want to see on my channel. Obviously I do have some ideas, but I would love to hear from you, so you know, just leave a comment below. Before you leave, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell notification. And tomorrow I will see you with another makeup tutorial. Bye!
I see outside your silhouette, 'cause it's all